More and more videos are popping up about this, translating your video titles and description to get more views, but I'm skeptical. The idea is you translate titles and descriptions into other languages so that more people find them. You do it like this. The free way to do this is to go to your YouTube studio, select the video you're interested in, and click subtitles, then hit up Add Language, and then select Add under Title and Descriptions. You'll then need to open Google Translate and copy your title and description over. Translate, then copy back. The really simple way to do this, but it will cost you, and it's about $49 a month, is to use TubeBuddy's Top Legend package. This gives you a button, you just click, and it does all of this for you, so it will save you a stack of time. It really will. The link is in the description if you want to check it out. It's a fantastic product, and it has a ton of other features that we can't live without anymore. The free version's fab too. So far it's saved us 95 hours of tasks, apparently. So this then helps your videos get seen by your brothers and sisters overseas, apparently. It's a pretty simple concept, but I have a few problems with it. Number one, if the video's title is in another language to the content, isn't that sending the wrong message? I mean, they click play on a video and suddenly they have no idea what's being said. Or am I misunderstanding? Or am I misunderstanding how this works? Sure, they might have a basic knowledge of your language, but if it's educational content, wouldn't you rather learn stuff in your own tongue? The risk here is you damage your watch time and audience retention. There's no point getting more clicks if all they do is hinder two of your most important stats, which could have a knock-on effect for the rest of the world too. I might be overcautious here. Let me know what you think in the comments. Number two, do you want people overseas to watch your content? Now, I'm not saying forget other people. What I mean is, if you're a business channel and you only work in the UK, getting a few views in Zimbabwe might not be worth all the trouble and effort. But on the other hand, we know from experience making content opens doors you would never have expected. You never know who's watching and what they could have planned for you. But then on the other hand, if you're looking to monetize your channel, you could get less cost per click from a country with a weaker currency than your own. For example, in your country, if they click a video, you might get $1. With a weaker currency when converted, this only might be 1 cent. That's an example, not exactly what happens, but I guess every little helps, so is it really a problem? Obviously, you can't translate to every language in the world unless you've got loads of time. So if you want to give this a shot to start with, go to your analytics, click engagement and then see more, and click on any of the boxes, then select geography and the time frame you're interested in. We see our channel is mainly English speaking viewers, with India and the Philippines coming in next, and then Canada and Australia. But we're not going to translate to Australian. And if you want to learn more YouTube growth tricks, then check out this playlist here and watch this video, our latest released, all shiny and new. It's living on one of the most tropical